sabihin sa akin yung remove jewelry, wear aprons, wear hairnet. But it's a must that you have to mention two things that is quite important for the safety of the patient. One, you check the environment temperature. Remove the drops. I mean drops. Anything that could cause harm on the baby, those are drops. Such as, you have to switch off the air conditioners, close the windows, and get ready. At pangalawang safety, it's a must that you have to check the water temperature. Bakit dalawa yung basin natin? Itong dalawang basin ito is basically for the head lang. Okay? One with clear water and one with shampoo that has been diluted. Why do you have to dilute the shampoo on the water? For less irritation. Okay? So, just dilute mo yung water dito sa tub at saka sa dalawang basin pangulog. Pagka malalim, may use of the elbow. Pagka mababaw, may use of the wrist. Okay, so why use elbow and wrist when checking the water temperature? Okay. Kasi ito ay, this has thin skin. Hindi lang yun. The more na manipis ang skin, the more nerve endings it has. Ibig sabihin, ang nerve ending is responsible for our sensation. Mas madaling maano. One more time. These are thinner parts. It has more nerve endings. Mas makakaano. So those just answer. Kasi manipis, mo yung kung manipis. Mas maraming nerve. Mo yung kung maraming nerve endings. Mas makakaano. Di follow? Hindi natin. And okay na. Na-prepare ko na yung treatment. Na-check ko na yung environment. Na-check ko na yung water temperature. It's high time that I go back to the patient. Okay? Prepare ko na. Pag sinalaw yung patient, as I know,